Whether you're working in new construction or home remodeling, you'll find plenty of uses for the jigsaw and reciprocating saw. Designed for heavy-duty cutting, a reciprocating saw is indispensable for framing and demolition work. For light-duty cutting chores, such as notching or making cutouts and sheathing, the jigsaw is the tool of choice. While jigsaws and reciprocating saws are built for different tasks, both tools operate in the same way. That is, the rotary motion of their electric motor is converted into reciprocating motion at the blade. To provide faster cutting, some saws are equipped with orbital action control. On a jigsaw, this feature allows the blade to travel slightly forward and backward while moving up and down. On a reciprocating saw, orbital action provides a slight up and down movement of the blade. In either case, the result is a more aggressive cut with reduced blade wear. Both jigsaws and reciprocating saws come in cordless models to enhance their portability. Never throw away a worn battery from a cordless power tool. Always take worn batteries to the appropriate recycling center. To use a jigsaw for cross-cutting, clamp a straight edge to the material the required distance from the cut line. Next, consult the operator's manual for specific information on blade speed adjustments, and then adjust the blade speed accordingly. Now, place the base of the saw on the workpiece, making sure the blade is not contacting the edge, and depress the trigger. Move the saw forward at a steady rate while keeping the base flat on the work and firmly against the straight edge. As you approach the end of the cut, use your free hand to support the material. Never place your free hand in front of the jigsaw during a cut. When you're finished the cut, release the trigger and let the saw come to a complete stop. You can also make bevel cuts with a jigsaw by tilting the saw base to the desired angle. In most cases, the workpiece should be positioned with the good side facing down to minimize splintering. However, when cutting with a reverse tooth blade, which is specifically designed to cut on the downstroke, be sure to place the workpiece with the good side facing up. For added insurance against splintering, score the cut line with a utility knife. With the proper blade installed, a reciprocating saw can be used in a variety of applications, from new construction to demolition. When using this tool, always wear a clean pair of safety glasses along with hearing protection. When using a reciprocating saw for demolition work, be sure to wear heavy work gloves along with your eyewear and hearing protection. The saw's adjustable base helps stabilize the tool during a cut, and it also serves as a depth stop. Before making a cut into a closed area like a wall cavity, make sure the base is set so that the blade cannot strike objects in front of it. Failing to adjust the base prior to cutting into a closed area can cause the blade to strike objects with considerable force. Under this condition, the saw can be thrown back towards the operator, resulting in serious personal injury. To make a cut, hold the saw with both hands and place the saw base firmly against the material. Press the trigger slightly to start the blade moving, and then fully once the cut is started. Allow the blade to do the work and be sure to keep the base against the material throughout the cut. To make a cutout for a window or door opening, drill the appropriate size hole in the corners of the intended opening. Next, install a short wood cutting blade in the saw, and then adjust the base appropriately. Now, place the blade through one of the holes and press the base squarely against the framing. Make the cut following the same guidelines covered earlier. Use the framing to guide the blade throughout the cut. Just be sure not to cut into the framing members as you go. When you come to each corner, allow the saw to come to a complete stop.